What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Mac Office Microsoft Excel. So without further ado, let's start the video. So I've just opened Terminal for a minute just to make a directory so you know this is my working space, this is where I will save the files that I make in Excel. So without further ado, let's start the video. CD, documents. What do you have in there? Make a directory. Okay, CD. So we have nothing in there, or we can close this now. Go to the Finder. Okay, go to Documents. And there it is, Microsoft Excel. Get out of that. Now go to Excel. Yes. Save this. Go to, yeah, we're in Documents already. Excel. Save this as practice. Save that. Okay, and the first thing you want to do when you see this is go up to here and click 150 or whatever, a suitable percentage so it can increase all the cells and it's better to see it. Rather, if I was working in 25, you could see nothing. Therefore, if I go to 150, a nice view. Everything is increased. Good for the eyes as well. Okay, I can go up and down. Now I'm moving from my mouse onto my keyboard. Right, up and down, left and right, whatever. I can also highlight a huge chunk. Okay. Now I want to write something in here. Hello. Okay. I can edit this and say how much money I spent this year. Okay, now I can click all this and do merge. Click merge. What else can you do? Yeah, just click merge. Okay, how much money did I spend this year? So let's just say January in here. Tab. Feb. Tab. Okay, just the 5 months because currently we're in June. I don't want to talk about June at the minute because we're already halfway through June. January all the way to March has passed. Okay. Okay, if I want to delete this, I could delete that, delete this. Copy all of this. If I wanted to delete it, I could delete it. Paste it back into there. Okay, forget that. I've unmerged it because I wanted to do all this. I wanted it till F because I wanted the total here as well. So, okay. Okay, so all the way up to left. Now merge that, and there you go. Okay, so January, February, March, April, okay, so that's what we got. In here I'll probably put books or something. Paper. Oops, capital letter. Clothes or whatever. Okay, in January I probably spent about £10 on books. I'm talking about computer science books. Probably about £50. In May, I must have spent about £0. Just a guesstimate. Don't remember what I spent. April, just make it up 20. In May, I must have spent, because I was feeling a bit rich, 100. Okay, on paper, I probably spent about 1, 2, say 0, and say £5 on printing paper, clothes, 100. Zero, zero. Say about. Did I buy a jacket? Probably, 50 quid. And here's 0. Okay, so now we have all our prices. We want to change all this to pounds, so we go here and click General, go to currency, and there you go. £10, £50, 0, 20, 100, 1, 2, 3, 0, 5, 100, 0, 0, 50, and 0. Okay, we can also put in a total if we wanted to. In order to get this, you need to highlight all of these cells, rows and columns, and highlight the total as well. Go up to sigma notation and do the sum. So 10 plus 50 plus 20 plus 100 is 180. 5 plus 3 to 1 is 11. 150, there you go, Also, if we wanted to total this way, we could highlight everything else and do sum. And there you go. So the total this way is equivalent to the total this way. So the rows and the columns. Make sure you know your difference between the rows and the columns, okay? Because sometimes it gets confusing. So 341. Yeah, that is correct. 100, 150. That is correct. Okay. We could take out a calculator if we needed to, just to make sure that we're on the right track. Okay, 111 plus 52 plus 3 plus 70 plus 105 is 341. Okay, I can close that down. I don't need it anymore. Yeah, that's closed. Okay, so now if I wanted to, I could change the color of this by doing that. I could also make a chart, a bar chart or whatever, highlighting all of this and going on charts. There it is. Column, pie charts. Okay, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks a bit confusing for the time being. Delete that. Go on column. Go on clustered columns. Okay, series 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a bit confusing. Delete this. I can get rid of all of this by deleting the cells. So if I go to home, delete the cell, go all the way on here, delete the cell again. And now if I put it into a chart, it should look a little bit different. Go on column. If I do clustered column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Series 1, 2, 3 is books, papers, and clothes, and whatever. Okay, so if I do this, I can put it next to it, side by side, whatever. I can also increase its length. I can cover that if I wanted to. I can also just delete this. I still need to save it. Okay, so bring back a chart. I didn't highlight anything. That's what happens when you never highlight anything. Okay, column. That's weird, didn't want that one. Cluster column stack, okay. If I wanted to, I could probably finalize this by going on layout, landscape, preview, and there you go. I could decrease the size of that. And here is a PDF file of this. I could probably do save as and save this as a PDF. Save this in Microsoft Excel. So if I save that, okay, you just use PDF. Get out of that. Save this. Minimize that. Now if I go to Finder, go to Documents, go to Excel, go here, spacebar, and there you go. So we made a table, then we made a chart, and then we exported it as a PDF. If we go here, that's what we were working on at the minute. Get out of that, go back to Excel. Okay, so that was a very basic tutorial on how to use Microsoft Excel for new beginners and starters. For people who don't know what Excel is, how to use it. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial where I go into more detail about more calculations and better things. Because what we did in this tutorial was very basic. How to make a cell, show you how to change the currency from numbers into pounds and whatever. How to make a chart, how to export some PDF files, and that's it. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.